Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
I'm also fine. At the beginning of my presentation, I remember my Allah who teaches me. Then I remember my Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Then I remember my parents and my teacher who helped me to be here. Here present my honorable teacher Muhammad Fuzlul Karim sir and friends. Take my cordial salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Now I would like to start my presentation. My presentation is about myself. My name is Abrar. I read in class 3. I am 8 years old. I am from Rajendrapur Cantonment, Gazipur. My school name is Laboratory School and College. My favorite color is blue. My favorite food is banana. My favorite subject is English. My father's name is Shahriar. My mother's name is Shahanaz. Thank you. That's all my presentation. Thank you for being with me.